Okay, I'm going to share my screen to draw wolf. Share sound. Okay, so everybody has the material. Yeah,
Yes,
everybody
mister.
has sheet of paper, everybody have color, everybody has pencil, eraser. Okay, if you don't have marker to remark the image, you can use your pen. Okay, your pen. Okay.
We're gonna draw this wolf a lot like our lion that we drew a
Okay.
while ago. Is that all
I think
right?
that's a very
And if you haven't seen our lion before, we'll leave a description in the bottom. All right, let's do this, man. First
okay.
step, we're gonna draw his mouth, and we're gonna draw the side view of his head,
Tell me
and his mouth
when I
is gonna
have
be
to
open like
pause,
he's
okay?
growling, and we're gonna draw it over here on the left, and it's gonna be. We're gonna do a little different.
Okay.
Mister, that's so difficult. Put a heart
Come
there.
on.
Wait, mister, wait.
Heart.
Play, mister.
So the lion we
Wait,
did
Taya.
C or backwards C. This one we're gonna do a little bit different so that it's got a different shaped mouth. So can you do
These pictures are nothing for you.
that? Awesome. And then we're gonna do a little tight corner or curve and then a line.
Okay.
Continue.
Yeah.
Back.
No, mister, don't continue. Pause it. Play, mister.
Okay.
That is awesome. Okay, now let's do his teeth. And we're gonna do very sharp teeth. So we're gonna do one sharp tooth.
Okay. This is the mouth. Okay. This is one teeth.
Play the video.
Play the video. Okay.
Yes.
Play the video, mister.
Oh, I like how sharp that is. And we're gonna do another sharp tooth. And these are called canine teeth, huh?
Yeah. I don't know.
Canine's it's another word for a dog.
Oh.
And that's what these sharp teeth are right here. Okay, you ready for the rest of his teeth?
Yeah.
That's
All right.
that's boy
Okay, the
looks
rest
like
of his teeth are
Rafael.
just smaller, and we're gonna draw
Yes, mister.
going back in his mouth. Good. Keep going.
Okay.
Continue.
Man, those are
Play the video.
sharp there.
Yeah, play
Okay,
the
and then we're
video.
gonna do the bottom ones just the same way. Like a little zigzag line that goes back.
Yeah. Good, Gia.
Perfect. Okay, now let's do a curved line that comes up here. And a curved line down
Play
here.
it.
Finish.
Okay. I play it.
Yep. Yep.
You don't have
Yes.
Good job.
Play the video.
Another curved line. This is for his nose.
Yeah, play it.
And we're going to draw a curved line that comes
Once-
back. Well, this one's kind of a straight line.
Play the video.
Coming back. It's got a little curve on it. Okay, now we're going to do his eyebrow that's going to go into his ear. All right, so we're going to start off here. We're going to draw a curve, and then it's going to straighten out. but it's going to come back curved.
That's a giant eyebrow.
Yeah, this is massive eyebrow. So it's kind of his forehead because it's the side of his head, and then it's going right into his ear. And when they're growling, when a wolf
Yeah, you did it.
Yes, play it.
Yes.
growls,
Yeah.
they usually put their ears back.
Yes.
I don't know why. We should look it up, huh? But that's when you know they're.
Rafael, what are you
they're
doing
angry,
there?
And you should leave them alone.
Hmm.
I think if you see a wolf, you should probably just leave it
Okay,
alone.
I'm
Period.
going to-
Even if its ears
okay.
aren't back.
Come.
All right.
But
Hey,
Rafael
ready?
is here.
Let's do the rest of this wolf. So we're gonna do a little curved line that comes back for his ear.
Okay.
Play the video.
And it can
Hey,
kind
it-
of curve up right at the very end
Mister, at the finish, we need to paint.
if you want, or
Yeah.
curve it.
Oh, I would
No,
have
that's
put
good.
a point.
Like a bunny,
What?
like a bunny rabbit, a pointed bunny. Oh, anyways.
I don't get it.
All right. No, it's fine. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, now let's draw his eye, and we're gonna draw his.
Okay. That kid's wolf is like yes, it looks like a rabbit
it.
monster.
Finish. Yeah, mister.
Rabbit monster. Okay, may I play it?
Yes.
Yeah.
We'll
Yeah.
curve
Yes.
him like that, and then we're gonna draw a U right here, right in the middle, for his eye.
I was about to sneeze.
Oh, you sneeze in almost all of our videos. Okay, not all of them, but a lot of them.
No,
Okay.
I actually felt one actually.
Felt one coming on.
Yeah.
All right, so we do a little line back and then we color it in. Same thing over here. And then we're gonna do another view inside, and that's for his pupil. And we're gonna do a light catcher, so a circle in there, and color in the rest of his eye. Oh, that's awesome.
There is a truck there. Okay. Very good, Gia.
I think that guy is more.
That is
good.
easy for you. The next, I'm going to bring one difficult.
Mister,
Okay. Yeah, great. Great.
look.
Okay, very good.
Here, the more difficult is the origami.
Yeah.
Origami.
Orinami or origami?
Origami. Mister,
Yeah, orinami. Okay, I will continue.
origami.
Okay, may I play it?
I put is origami, pero taponi origami. I don't know.
May I
It's
play it?
difficult or funny
Yeah,
origami.
origami is easy.
Yeah. Yes.
Look, Mister.
His mane or his,
Wait,
the
let's
rest of his
continue.
hair. So we're
Then
gonna
I'm
do a
going to see
cool
it.
zigzag. Oh, let's do the
Yes.
bottom first. And then we'll do the
It's a pingüino.
zigzag line that comes back. So we're gonna do the bottom.
Now,
of the
Mr.
chin. So this is
Then-
gonna come around and then curve. Right. So do a little curve here and then a hook at the end. Oh, that's so awesome. Perfect. Okay, now let's do a zigzag. So we're gonna draw one line that comes out. Oh, is another one coming on? So do another line. Don't try to sneeze. All right.
trying to.
Okay, now we're gonna do a zigzag line that comes back. Here we go. Watch this. I'm gonna keep going.
Okay.
Ahora vamos a ver cómo enviar audio.
No.
Estás haciendo un dragón.
Loudon, stop fighting.
Wait, mister.
Okay, may I play it?
Mister, no. I don't.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Yes, Mister, play the video.
Yes, Mister.
Wait, that Eric haven't
And when I did my zigzag line, you're doing a perfect job. Keep going. But one of the secrets to the way that I did it was I did a little line that came in and then a long line out. A little line in, long line, little line, long line. You see that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let's do his nose now. So we're going to do a little line that comes up
Up.
and then an upside down U
You.
and then a line that finishes his nose.
Nose.
And then color it in.
Coloring.
Awesome. We're almost done, dude. Let's finish his ear. So we're going to
Tell
do a
me
line
if I
that
pause
comes
it.
down.
Okay.
Now you're just copying me. And then we're going to do a zigzag line.
Pause.
Like a light.
Okay.
Mr.
Play it,
The
mister.
kid's drawing is horrible.
Why?
It's like a monster.
Yes.
Mine too.
It's not
Yes.
a monster, it's a wolf.
Yes. Wolf con la cara torcida.
All right, let's do. So
The
I
feet.
Continue, mister.
both have like really cool patterns. We're just gonna do one zigzag line that makes a really cool pattern on his face because a lot of times the top of their head is like a gray, and then the bottom part of their face or their head is white. So we're gonna start right here with his nose,
No.
okay? And we're gonna draw a line that curves down.
Foul.
Yep, and then we're gonna do a little
No.
kind of hook like that.
Okay. Is a wolf like the mascot of the school?
It's Chilo.
Yes.
Play the video, me.
That. Perfect. And then we're gonna trace his eye line that goes up and over his eye. Good job. And then we're gonna curve this around. And then we're gonna do a cool zigzag pattern back here, but we're gonna curve it a little bit like the ears. So go out, back, out. It's almost like we're making little ears.
He has tons of ears on him.
Yeah.
Okay. The wolves are beautiful. I have one wolf in my house.
Play it, mister. Play it.
We're missing one thing. What are we missing, dude?
Um.
Can you guess?
Uh.
Tongue.
Oh.
Yeah. All right. Okay, let's do his tongue. We're gonna do a curved line that starts in the middle of his mouth and curves up. It's like an S line.
Finish.
Almost looks like a snake. Like
finish.
that. Then we're gonna do a little curve at the end and then come back down. So his tongue looks like it's sticking up. And then we can overlap. So the tooth is in.
Oh,
Front?
I
Oh, did you
that.
already do it? Good job, dude. You know what I was gonna do.
No, I got your on that, so I did.
Yeah. No, you know because that's what we do, huh?
Okay, now to color, right?
All right, man.
Everybody finish.
Look at that.
Yes or not?
Yeah.
Okay, now to color.
Yes.
You will have to.
Wolf.
Then
Is
you
that
will have
fun?
to show
Yeah.
that, right?
That is a mean-looking wolf, man.
Do it.
Well, we hope you guys had fun drawing your wolf with Friday. That means be sure to see art that you've done this week,
Art for kids.
and we'll feature you.
Yep.
All right. Hope you have a good weekend.
Okay, so then you will color.
Mister, we need to color.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Then you will
Mister,
color
we need to pen.
whatever you want, right? You will color whatever you want. Okay, very good. Then
Mister, so we can color with pink.
My wolf is white.
Colors.
your wolf, your wolf is white because his wife is white
No.
Because you don't want to color.
Blue, Mister.
Yes.
Okay.
It's beautiful.
Rafael, what were you doing on that video?
Look, Mister.
Okay, very good, Cecilia. Let me see. Okay, funny. Funny. Excellent. Excellent, Rafael. Remember to take that picture and submit on the platform. Let me see. I can see only the eye of for Jesus, only the eyes I could see. Well, remember to remark. You can use your pen, your black pen to remark and color, okay? Very good, Lauren. Okay, very good. Hesiel. Okay.
Wolf. My wolf.
Excellent, Valeria. You have a cat there, Jesus. I see a cat there. A black cat.
Mister. In my
I can hear you well. I don't know if my internet is unsuitable, unstable. Yes, Eli?
not color, Mister.
Yes, color. Very good, Gia. Make that dark there.
What dark?
Dark. That technique of dark. White and
I'm going to take
light and dark. That technique. Do you remember the first technique?
That technique was so difficult.
Nice, easy. Yeah. That technique. This one that I told you. Let me see. This technique that I told you. That technique, white and dark, that you color in this way, light and dark.
I will not do that. That's so
That technique is not to do this one, right? Just to color in this way, to have white and dark.
It's only to paint to color with dark and light.
Mhm.
Mr. May go to the bathroom.
Yeah.
I will only paint with gray and red the tongue.
The wolves are familiar with the dogs, right?
Yes.
The wolves look like
We have a dog.
the wolf looks like. Have you seen the Siberian Husky?
Yeah, my
Yeah,
Brian want to have some and one dog. Siberian.
Siberian Husky.
It's crazy with that dog.
Really?
Yeah.
I can imagine. When Brian was in sixth grade, I think so.
My dad, my sister has one, but he's dead already because he had like the fourth.
Really?
Here. His name was Blackie. He was a
I
big
want
dog.
one. I want one, but I can't.
My
Because
dad,
I have a lion in my house.
A lion.
That's false. And how do you say las patas? Le llegaban los
The
hombros a
pow.
mi
The
papi.
pow. Yeah. Yes, I have a lion. A Teddy lion.
The name on the Teddy lion.
Teddy lion. So
So put it in your profile, mister.
Teddy lion. It's delicious, Chloe.
What?
Yes. He's eating snacks. This is a time to relax, okay? To be relaxing.
And time to see your horrible drawing. Are you going to paint it to
Mister,
Yeah?
the meat of the chips are delicious.
The what?
the what?
I will say you in the chat.
Okay. Camila Sofia likes to draw, right? A lot. Yeah. And Adriana likes to draw too. Yeah. And who's Lauren? Ah, really, Lauren. This is the meat, the sheep meat. Yeah. Very good, Cecilia. Excellent.
I finished.
You already finished. Very good. What? Who's fighting there?
I don't know.
Because we are going to see a mommy punish someone of you.
What?
Excellent, yeah. Very good.
What is it?
Rafael, come.
No, I
The
have
mom of
nothing.
Raphael is Raphael's mom is fire.
Your man is Rafa?
There is my.
He's angry with you.
Why?
No.
Because you don't need.
Okay,
Why?
guys.
Happy.
Look, mister.
Chloe's enjoying.
Mr. Submitted the platform.
I would.
Yes,
That
you
is
have to submit.
that is
Very
a
good.
monster.
That is the wolf of the 3 little pigs.
Mister, I submit the homework.
Okay, very good.
The homework.
Yeah, you can do the platform.
I work
Yeah,
in the
a
platform.
wolf. Please check if you haven't done, guys. Very good, Eric. That's a beauty rabbit that you draw. No, I'm kidding. Excellent. Please submit the origami work. Okay, are 8 points, guys. 8 points. Every image you submit are 8 points. Yeah. And then try not to lose that point, please. Into 2 weeks, we are going to start the exams. And then I need to have all the cumulative. Yeah.
Mister.
Yeah. Lauren, you like? Excellent.
Whoa.
Yeah. Good.
What,
Lauren,
mister?
you like to fight with your brother. You like to scramble.
Yes.
That's your only brother? He's your
Yes.
only are
Roberto is horrible.
is
What,
yeah.
mister?
Just you and Roberto.
Yes.
Or you have another sister.
No.
Roberto is Flor, he said. I heard that he said Roberto is Flor.
Yes.
Only two. You have one brother. No, no more sister, no more brothers. No, only you two. Okay, very good. And you, Hesiel, you have brother and sisters. Or you are the only one?
What, mister?
Hesiel, you have brother and sister, or you are the only one?
Only, I only one.
I
You are
have
the
a
only one.
sister.
You have a
Have a
sister.
sister and a brother. There are no.
Yeah, I know. I know. Your sister is the girl who was dancing with you in the. Yeah.
All
Yes,
right,
Eric?
submitted.
Sir, mister. But he doesn't.
Muerto, muerto.
The baby that is my brother.
Yeah. You, Dennis? You have a brother and sisters. Dennis, you have brothers and sisters, or only one brother?
I have
or
a
only one
sister.
sister?
Look, mister.
Cesar's drawing is beautiful.
Excellent, Cesar. Yeah,
What is?
excellent. Hesiel.
Bye, mister.
I'm happy with my drawing, mister.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, submit it.
Okay, bye.
Submit it now. Submit it now.
Bye. My
Just
brother
let me
is
just let me tell you. Just let me tell you about the quiz. Okay. Right now, listen.
Mister.
Listen. Yeah, listen.
Mister.
You go now to music class. When you finish music,
Yes.
you go to the
To the quiz.
quiz. Okay, there are 10 exercises. Yeah, I'll be connected.
Okay.
I'll be connected. And
Bye,
the
mister.
platform,
What
if
quiz,
you have-
mister?
Of
Of math.
What?
In the,
Oh, you are going
What?
to tell me what quiz?
of math, Rafael.
I say since Monday.
We
Monday,
are
I
talking
say.
of that in
In Monday or
June.
No, I say
We're
Monday
talking about the
in the
Tuesday,
Yeah.
Wednesday,
the homework
today.
schedule. In the homework schedule, you said it says that you have a quiz today. And on Monday,
Today.
Tuesday, listen, on Monday, Tuesday, and yesterday, I told you that today you had a quiz.
And today.
Oh, and then you are not going to say what quiz, mister.
Mister, I have one problem.
Uh-huh.
If my sister or my other sister Janet use the cell phone on on your classes in the time of the platform of math, of the time of the quiz.
Yeah, use that you are using now. Okay, Valeria, very good.
Or
Okay,
my sister,
no excuses. Listen to me. No excuses. No excuses for that quiz. Okay, that quiz is available. Don't fight with that dog, guys. Poor dog.
Poor dog.
Poor dog.
Who is
The dog
killing the
is my
dog?
animal favorite. Favorite.
Favorite. Favorite.
Favorite.
That's a new word. That is a new word, like Eric, right? All
Yeah.
right, we are learning.
Felicitations. Felicitations.
That's Eric words, right? Felicitation. Okay, let's see. Please, no excuses. As I told you, no excuses. If you don't do the quiz, sorry guys, but I told you since Sunday, you know that you had that you had a quiz. No excuses. If you don't do, you are going to lose 10 points. Okay. And the quiz is only available 40 minutes. You cannot do it after the hour. Okay. So, and then I need that all of you do the quiz. If you don't do it, I'm not going to repeat it. I'm so sorry, but I'm not going to repeat it.